Welcome to a place of higher learning, a place of tradition, innovation, and absolutely questionable judgment. Welcome to the Tang Institute of Technologies, where your future is uncertain, your timeline is chaotic, and your education is memetically rigorous. At Tang Institute of Technologies, we don't ask, what will you become? We ask, what will you post? Our students don't major in history. They rewrite it, then screenshot it, then post it with zero context. Here, you'll study the foundational disciplines of modern culture. Intro to shitposting, advanced shitposting with intent, and the capstone course, apology drafting for tweets that went too far. You'll explore meme theory, applied irony, narrative weaponization, and the delicate art of pretending something was obviously satire after it goes viral. Our faculty are leaders in their fields, not accredited fields, but fields nonetheless. Learn from professors who have spent years online. Too many years that changed them. You'll gain hands-on experience in reply-bait engineering, algorithm gambling, screenshots as primary sources, and crypto concepts nobody can explain but everyone argues about. Our campus is global. Our classrooms are comment sections. Our library is bookmarks, screenshots, and tweets that aged badly. At Tang Institute of Technologies, we believe education should be unstructured, unstable, emotionally confusing, and impossible to explain to your parents. There's no homework, only deadlines you ignore. Graduates leave with practical skills like posting through the pain, defending a bad take confidently, and knowing exactly when to log off, but never doing it. Is Tang Institute of Technologies right for you? If you've ever said, hear me out, if you've ever typed this isn't financial advice while clearly giving advice, if you've ever lost an argument but won the engagement, then yes, unfortunately, you belong here. Tang Institute of Technologies, your memeducation starts here.